and welcome to the Bigger Brains course, Copilot for Excel. My name is Kathy Jones. I'm a Microsoft trainer with over 25 years experience training and consulting with Microsoft products to help users be more efficient and productive. Copilot is Microsoft's powerful AI assistant inside Excel, and I'm excited to teach you how to use its features. This course is intended for Microsoft 365 Office users with a Copilot license who have an intermediate knowledge of Excel and want to use Copilot to facilitate tasks. We'll start by identifying the different versions of Copilot and how to access it in Excel. We'll discuss what Copilot can do in Excel and navigate the Copilot pane. Then we'll use Copilot for basic formatting commands and apply basic and advanced conditional formatting with Copilot. We'll use Copilot to create formulas and functions and identify formula errors. Next, we'll have Copilot insert different types of charts, and we'll create prompts to analyze and summarize numeric and text data. Then we'll use Copilot prompts to manage data, including removing and filtering columns. We'll also create tables from web data and analyze Outlook emails and OneDrive documents in Excel. In our last lesson, we'll get help from Copilot, ask Copilot to write a macro, use Python for deep data analysis, and identify best practices when using Copilot in Excel. By the end of this course, my hope is that you'll be able to use Copilot to streamline tasks in Excel and get help for complex analysis. As you go through this course, I recommend that you stop the video periodically and practice what I'm showing you. The files I'm using in the course are available to download if your platform supports them, so you can do the same activities right along with us. As you work along with us, be aware that Copilot rarely gives the same answers twice, so the responses you get will be different from the ones we get in this video.